Hi guys, I'm here in House of Little Bunny. It's 6 o'clock na, close na sila, and I got everything na gusto ko there. This is the stock room, guys. Ayan. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chen. This video, I will be sharing to you what I got from House of Little Bunny. I just came from Bangkok, guys, and I can't really help to go to House of Little Bunny and shop a lot there. Anyway, if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing. Anyway, the first bag that I got there is this Lulu collection. I saw this bag na suot siya ni Kim Chu in Philippines. This bag is pure leather, guys, because House of Little Bunny, they have two collection. The one is PU and the other one is genuine leather. This one is really cute, guys. I hope they have the bigger collections, but it's out of stock. And this one is the smallest. Still so cute. Meow, meow, meow. It's all cute, guys. It comes with a very cute strap as well. There. Ang cute niya, di ba? And the next one is Lulu also. But the color, guys, is so cute. Meow, meow. Ang cute ng kulay. Ano bang nakalagay dito sa box? Kasi sabi dito yellow. Wala wala nakasulat. This one is so cute as well. This is also in genuine leather. Ayan, guys. Gusto ko talaga yung yung Tiffany blue, but they don't have that. Look at the dito. Tingnan mo yung loob. It's very wide and it comes with a strap also. Ang cute. Ang cute-cute din ng bag na to. I wish I have the bigger size, but this is okay na sa akin. This is really cute. There. So, next one is, hi, Blablabu! Blablabu! The next one is this one. Ito yung treasure collection nila in genuine collection. Ayun. This one naman is double cloth. This is their new collection, guys. This is the old collection. And this one is the new. Yung old nila, ang old nila is single cloth lang. Yan, single cloth lang. And this one is double cloth. There, it comes also with a strap. And, ano pa nga ba? Yung top handle niya na ito. That you can remove that. You can also wear this as a sling bag. This is also cute, guys. I love the color. This collection is nice for autumn. Ito naman pang spring, pang summer. Yan. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Sana ba yun? Let's go to the PU collection. This is the brick one. This is the collection naman, guys, is PU naman to siya. Ito yung brick nila na collection. So, meaning, hindi to siya pure leather, but it's still very nice. Kaya din talaga nag-trending ang, na talaga din yung quality. Look at that, guys. This is soft leather. Ayan, it has two zipper, and it comes with two straps. Ayan, long strap and a short strap. Parang tatlo pa nga eh. Parang tatlo yung strap, guys. Ay, oo nga. Ganito yung strap. Tatlo nga yung strap. Ang ganda nito. Tatlo yung strap. May pa-surprise. I thought ang strap nito, sorry, akala kong strap nito isa lang. This one, oh, may kasama siya. This is so pretty as well. Ayan, I have three of this one. Ayan, ito naman ibang color. Brick din to siya, guys. This is the brick collection in size, I think 22. Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Very, very, itong ganda ng kulay nito. I love this color. I got two of this one. Alright, so just hold on, guys, okay? So, the next one is Destiny. This bag is Destiny. This is naman, guys, pang traveling. That's why I like this bag. Look at that one, guys. Oh, Destiny. There. It comes with two strap as well. Ito naman siya, guys. PU. Not pure leather, but the quality is also nice. There. It comes with two strap as well. Gusto ko to siya. Yung logo na to ng Little Bunny at meron dito siyang Little Bunny na print. Ang cute. I have another one nito. Hold on, ha. I'll just check where it is. I have the black niyan eh. Hold on, ha. Hold on. Okay. I have the black. So, ito naman siya. This is in pure leather. Malalaman mo pag pure leather siya kasi yung ano niya, yung dust bag niya mas makapal. There. This is the Destiny collection, guys. Gusto ko dito yung pink, but they don't have that one. It comes with two strap as well. This one. Bakit isa lang? Bakit isa lang strap nito? Isa lang yung strap. Dalawa pala. Dalawa yung strap niya. Smaller strap and a longer strap. This is in pure leather, guys. This is the Destiny collection. Yan. Grabe, lukalukahan lang sa bag. Alright, so just hold on. I have another one here. Meow! Hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito. Saglit, sorry. I don't know the name of this one. But this is really cute. Small size lang siya. I think meron tong large size. Nakita ko sa kay Kim Chu. It's more bigger and it's nice for traveling. This one is also cute. This is in PU collection. The leather is very soft. I love it. And cute din siya. May zipper siya na maliit. Mayroon naman siyang strap na kasama. What I really like in House of Little Bunny, guys, they have extra strap. Kung ayaw mo siyang gamitin as a sling bag, you can use that as a kilikili bag, as like that. And yan, sling bag din siya. Hold on, let's go to the next one. The next one is, I think ito yung treasure nila na collection. They have 3 sizes of this one. This is also cute. This is also very cute. I like the phone treasure collection. Meron ako mamaya, pakita ko. Ito yung mid-size nila. Ano to? Anong meron dito? Ayan. So, it comes also with 2 straps. Ayan. Ayan siya sa ilalim. Meron siyang paipin. Ayan, mayroon siya ditong, meron siyang meron siyang pocket on the side there. So, yan. It's very wide. Then it comes with two straps again. This bag has three sizes. The large, the medium, and the small one. Yung small one nila is, wala ako nun eh. Ito yung cellphone, nila, selection na treasure. Look at that, guys. Ito yung size, oh. So, it's more smaller to, it's more bigger to. Yung malaki nito is, I don't have that. This is really cute as well. This is the treasure collection. I hope I'm not mali ha sa name. But yan ang na-remember ko. That's that. Hold on. Ay, grabe, nakakaloka. So, super nag-enjoy ako doon, guys. And it was just like lang, kasi I went to their pop-up store in Siam Paragon, and it's crazy because wala silang gaanong collection doon. So, I ran to the flagship nila na store, which is so far that I need to ride a taxi, a train going there. Next one is oh my God, I forgot the name of this one. Oh no, I forgot. Hold on. This one, hold on, baka meron dito. This is the timeless collection. I got the black one. This is in PU, guys, and this is in genuine leather collection. This is a bigger size. Ayan. Ang ganda din nito. I love this. Mayroon ako nitong, I have 2 of this one. I got 2. Look at that. This is the other one, guys. This is in toffee color. And then, ayan. This is the timeless collection. There you go. So, the next one is ito. Ito pala yun. I have also this one. This color. I have this color. The treasure phone collection. Hold on. I have this. And I have the lighter color. That one. Ang cute nito. Alright. There, guys. So, this is the next one. This is a cell phone bag where you can have your bag inside like that. This is in gummy Epson color. Yan. It comes with 2 strap also. Ayan, oh. May kasama din siyang 2 strap. This is what I like talaga in Little Bunny. May mga pa-strap silang extra, which is kung naboboard kang gamitin as sling bag, you can use it in different way or carry it in different way. Meron din sila nitong leather collection, guys, but I got only the PU collection, which is also very nice. I like this one so much. Gamit-gamit to ni Kim Chu eh. I think she has the green one of this one. This is really cute as well. There. So, let's move on to the other one. Meron din ako nito, yung treasure, but this is in pink one. Pink naman to siya. Ayan. Super pink siya. Actually, siya super pink. Gamit pink lang siya. Girly pink. Oh, may bulsa pala siya sa likod. This leather is very soft also. Ang ganda niya, guys. Oh. Ito naman siya, parang may pagka-light green. Mahilig kasi ako, guys, sa mahilig ako sa mga color na pastel color. This is really nice also. There. This is the treasure cell phone collection nila. There. So, I think we're all done na, guys. And, nakakaaliw, no? Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa talaga ang House of Little Bunny. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you are new in this channel again, please consider subscribing. If you love shopping, if you love travel vlog, like and subscribe to my channel para update kayo sa aking new videos. Anyway, thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Meow meow. Mag-i-edit pa ako at saka mag-impake pa ulit ako ng aking mga luggages ulit. Thank you guys. This is my Labubu. Labubu. Ang cute nito, si Labubu. Sobrang sobrang sumikat si Labubu, di ba? Thank you.